Unlock an endless supply of wholesale real estate deals by mastering list building in Propstream. First, log into your Propstream account once you're in. Locate the search icon in the top left corner clicking. This will open up the primary search interface where we'll begin crafting our targeted lists. Ensure you're on the Property Search tab. This is your central hub for refining your criteria now. Let's start by defining our geographic focus. Click on Add Filter, and then select Location. You can choose to search by state, county, or even specific zip codes for this tutorial. Let's select a particular county to narrow our focus. Enter the name of your desired county. Next, we'll add filters to pinpoint properties that are likely candidates for wholesale. Click Add Filter again, and this time we'll select Owner Properties. Under Owner Properties, you'll find several valuable options for wholesale. We want owners who may be motivated. A great starting point is filtering by years of ownership. Look for properties owned for a longer duration, say over 10 years, as these owners might be less attached to their property. Now let's add another crucial filter, equity. Click Add Filter and choose Equity. For wholesale, we typically look for properties with high equity. Enter a minimum equity percentage. For example, 50% or more. This suggests the owner has significant value in the property and likely a strong incentive to sell if they are motivated. Another powerful filter is Home Type. Click Add Filter and then Home Type. While you can explore different types, for many wholesale strategies, focusing on single-family homes or townhouses can be efficient. Select your preferred home types. Once you've applied your desired filters, you'll see a running count of properties that match your criteria. Click the Search button to generate your list. To save this list for future use, click the Save button, usually found on the right side of the screen. Give your list a descriptive name, like Motivated Sellers. And there you have it. You've successfully created a targeted list of potential wholesale real estate deals. Remember, the more precise your filters, the more effective your lead generation will be. Happy wholesaling!